Good afternoon. I'm Mr. Bellatier from the East Carolina University Department of Physics, and we are going to look at a few demonstrations today. Our first demonstration is going to be about the center of mass. And in this demonstration, we're going to see how the center of mass is positioned so you can balance something. Now just remember, the center of mass is the point in an object at which you can consider all the mass of the object to be concentrated at. Now, if you're going to calculate it, it would be a weighted average. So before we look at a formula, think of two people on a seesaw. There's a heavier person and a lighter person. Well, to get the seesaw to balance, you have to have the seesaw positioned at the center of mass. So that means the heavier person will be closer to the balance point and the lighter person will be farther away. Looking at it as a formula, now this might sound different and strange, but you've used it a lot. Every time you get a syllabus and your teacher says 60% of your grade is from your test and 40% of your grades from the final, you've done a weighted average. Okay, well, let's take a look at it in terms of a demonstration. Now, this is a little bit of Americana. When boys used to carry pocket knives, they would whittle pieces of wood out, and this is one of them. It's called a belt hanger. And you might look at it and say, well, wait, how can I hang a belt on it? Because if I put it on this finger, the piece falls off. And you know that because the center of mass of this piece would be here, the support is over here, so it's going to fall. Let's put a belt on here and find out. We put a belt on here, I put it on my finger, and now it balances. So what's the trick? Well, there's a little bit of a trick. You notice this slot has a slant to it, so the belt is slanted towards my arm. That means the center of mass of the belt is shifted back towards this finger. So the center of mass of all this together is over my finger and it balances. So our conclusion then would be, if you want to balance something, you have to make sure that the center of mass is over the support of the object.